Hello everyone.
In this video, we're going to learn how to uninstall apps on a Fire TV television. Before we start, I want to mention that since this is Amazon's Fire TV operating system, there are some apps we won't be able to uninstall. They're native to the system, pre-installed and mandatory, like Prime Video for example. So, just in case you're wondering, yes, there are apps we won't be able to uninstall. Let's see which ones we can. But as you'll see, Prime Video can't be removed. To uninstall any app from our Fire TV, we need to go here to the section on the right, More Apps. We'll scroll down and go to My Apps. This section shows all the apps installed on the system. Up here we have the main bar with apps from the main menu, and below are other apps installed on the TV that don't appear in the main menu. As I mentioned, if we go to Prime Video and press the 3 lines button on the remote right here, which opens the secondary menu with options, you'll see we can only move it to the front or move the application. There's no uninstall option. However, if we go to an app like Netflix and press the same button, the 3 lines, you'll see the uninstall option appears. So in this case, we can completely uninstall the app from the device. In this case, I don't want to uninstall Netflix. I'm going to uninstall the Downloader app instead, which we installed in the video about installing apps. So now let's uninstall it. So, hover over the app you want to uninstall, press the 3-line button on the remote, the one here on the right, the side menu pops up, scroll down to uninstall, click on it, and it'll ask if you really want to uninstall the app. Now just click uninstall at the bottom, and the TV will automatically uninstall the app and remove it from the menu. Well guys, that wraps up this video. As always, I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. That's all from me. As always, it's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video.